Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video, I will be cleaning out my laundry room. And guys, as you can see, it needs a good deep clean. I have cat litter on the floor, trash, just dirt, grime, just a bunch of gunk. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to bring you all along while I clean out my laundry room. Okay, my chat partners, here are the items that I use to clean out my laundry room. As you guys can see, I use Lysol, Spick and Span, Clorox, and a couple of other items that I used as well. Okay, my chat partners, so now that you guys have seen the cleaning items that I'm going to use to clean my laundry room, I'm getting ready to put my gloves on and get to work. And guys, this video does not have any music at all, so bear with me. I guess you can say this will be sort of an ASMR video. I don't use music in my videos. I used to use music in my videos in the past. However, I stopped because it seems that a lot of the songs that I was using was free, no copyright. But then as time went on, I was getting like claims or copyright claims. So I just stopped using music altogether. So yeah, guys, so just watch and enjoy. So right now I am just picking up the big items off the floor, and that big pan there, I guess you can call it a pan. My washing machine used to be on top of that big square flat pan. I just want to say, guys, I know my outfit is not camera ready, so to say. However, I was up cleaning at like 6 in the morning, so this was an early Saturday morning, so I got up and just threw anything on and started to clean, and I just wanted to record and just bring my chat partners along. Guys, looking at this video lets me know that I need to get me some new bedroom shoes. Let me just say that, because my bedroom shoes are ran over and just through. However, they are comfortable. So guys, comment down below if you have any item of clothing, whether it be bedroom shoes, loungewear, sleepwear, or just a t-shirt or some jogging pants, or just something that you like to wear around the house and is comfortable. Especially comment down below and let me know what items or what is your outfit look when you clean the house. I hope you all are enjoying my video so far. And if you are enjoying my video, hit that like button, guys. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a chat partner. Okay, everyone, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload and become a chat partner. I'm wishing you all out there a peace of mind, because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.